Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to download and install Hoi by TikTok social application on your smartphone. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. So I'm just going to tap on my Google Play Store, and after that tap on the search box. Then you can type here WSEE and then enter. Then you can see the first option, Hoi TikTok. So basically it is the social application. It's like a Threads or other social media like Instagram or BeReal, something like this. So they're updating, it's not complete, so they're updating, and they just launched this application 1 month ago. So simply tap on the install button. It takes few moments to install in your device. So keep trying to raise no more, and see you in the next video.